Hey guys, this is Josh of Basic Value, and we are going to be talking about the sensing blocks in Scratch. So, first up, we have this touching block. So, basically, this one describes like what the sprite is actually touching. So, it could be the mouse pointer, it could be the edge. You could also add like another sprite, for example, and then you could um, add it in here. Like it automatically show up in here. Next, touching color. So basically, if there are other colors or if there are other sprites in here that has an exact color, you could use this block. Next up, color is touching. So like let's say color this one, like the orange one is touching a black, then an effect will be triggered. The next we have distance to mouse pointer, or this could be modified. I haven't used this block before, so but I'm sure that this could be modified. So it's still basically for the sprite, like it measures an exact distance from the sprite to another object. Next we have ask. All right, this one is usually used for passwords. So let's say I use this, then let me go back to the sensing one. So if what's your name? So it asks for an answer. So this could be used and usually used for passwords. The next we have answer key space or like key press. So if the key is like, let's say if space is pressed, then something happens. Like there's a function that happens. Or it could be mouse down, mouse X, or mouse Y axis. All right? Let's just put those in here because these are related. The next, we have set drag mode to draggable or not draggable. So if I put that in here, you cannot drag this one. Set drag mode. All right. So draggable, then not draggable. I think this one is used for also modification of the sprite. Let's move in here. Okay, we have loudness variable and timer variable. Reset timer. So if you have a timer, this one resets it. Then backdrop number. So these are somewhat complicated, and you would rarely use these blocks. Like let's say volume of stage. Like you could create different stages. Like it's just like the same sense with a single sprite having a lot of costumes and backdrops, or a Scratch project that has a lot of backdrops. Next, current year or month or date. So this is time blocks. So days since 2000 or username. So those are the sensing blocks. Now, to be honest with you guys, the blocks here in sensing blocks, these right here, like the set drag mode, these are rarely used. All right, these are just usually used for like games or very exact projects. So anyway, those are all the sensing blocks that you need to know in Scratch. Thank you so much for watching. Please, guys, do not forget to subscribe because it helps our channel grow and it makes it possible for us to create more videos that would absolutely help you in your Scratch project. This is your homeboy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next videos.